Welcome to Sienna. Nestled on a waterfront lot with park-like views sits 3914 Federal Lane. Come on in, let me show you around. This beautiful updated home is nearly 2,100 square feet, featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. As you enter the home, you are welcomed by gorgeous vinyl plank hardwood floors on the first floor, fresh interior paint throughout, as well as brand new carpet upstairs. The formal dining room opens to a spacious living room with large windows overlooking the backyard and leads to the large kitchen and breakfast room. The kitchen features freshly painted cabinets with stainless steel appliances, and the refrigerator stays with the home. The first floor owner's suite includes a large walk-in closet, and the owner's bath features dual sinks, a garden tub, and a separate shower. Upstairs are 3 secondary bedrooms with ceiling lights and blinds, but the heart of the home is the large game room, which will help create lasting family memories. You won't want to miss the backyard, which has the perfect spot for kids and pets to play. With all the amenities Sienna has to offer, you'll feel right at home here at 3914 Federal Lane. Call us today so we can make this your new home.